Okay guys, how are you? It's Farhan from Programming J. Today we're gonna slide a simple program to use the four of the math basic operators, which are plus, minus, multiply and divide. So let's just start it. First we have to create a class, that is public class calc1. Then opening and closing bracket for the class. This public is the access of this class, that anyone can visit it. It don't have any special protection on encryption. It's like just open. Then the class, the keyword for the class, this is the keyword for the class, and that's a class name. As Java is an object oriented language, so you have to do anything within the classes. So I'll make a video discussing those things. So let's do this one. That's now our main method header, that is public static void main, two brackets, then we're gonna write string args. Oops, I missed the square brackets. Okay, let's take, what does it mean? The public has again the access to this method. Void means that it won't return anything to the main, and then this static means that you can call a method without creating objects of it within the main. Now we have to do basic operators, so we need two variables. We can initialize them like int variable underscore 1, and same with another one, name it as 2. See, I capitalized these letters of the second word like 1 and 2. It's like a naming convention, so it better helps reading those, like when you have long code like this, so it helps to read those easily. So first, then we have to do simple thing. I showed how this statement works. It's like system dot out dot println, and then we do brackets. So first is addition, so we're going to do addition. Then we use concatenation operator. Concatenation operator like merges two different statements, and then the result, we're going to use a curly bracket again. So we're going to add variable 1 with 2, then a bracket. Now we have to do 4 operators, so instead of time, just copy those and then change them. So this is subtraction. So make sure when you copy and paste, double check them, because sometimes because of some typos or other stuff, you miss things and then they're gonna screw your code. It's hard to find an error in such cases. Just change this to minus. For third one it's steric. Fourth one is the deviant. Okay, so in Java there are like different operators. So this deviant means it wanna return only the quotient, and there's the same operator like that's called modulus operator. It's like the percent sign, but that modulus operator does the deviant, but it returns the remainder. So it's a very basic difference between those two. Now there's one thing we are missing. Let's run this. It's gonna ask us to save it. Let's save it to the desktop video. We save this. It's giving us error. What that error is? The error is that these are not initialized. They are empty. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add, initialize them to some letters. Now we'll run it. So see, it gives us the answer: addition, subtraction, multiply, divide. So see, these are like joined together. that's because of the concatenation operator. So let me add a space to those so we can see better. I'm gonna compile it again and run it again. See, it adds a space to those. So this was the program, and in the next video I'm gonna discuss how to take input from the user, so you don't have to like initialize the letters. So that in this program the calculator can only add these two numbers, not other than that. But in the next video it's gonna take input from the user and then process it and give us the results. That's it for this time. Thank you.